A retail store in Florida reported to police that a young woman was suspected of shoplifting. When officers arrived, store employees provided camera evidence and a bag containing the stolen items hidden by the girl. The woman, identified as Maria, 18 years old, is from South Carolina. She was on vacation with her family in Florida and was scheduled to leave later that night.
Well, hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Tired.
Tired?
Since 2 in the morning.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Alright, so, these are items that she concealed into her purse. We watched her select everything and put everything into that purse. Is this her ID?
No, this is not there. Her purse is out there.
Yeah. So they've been really cooperative. I thought that she was a minor at first, hence why the family's in here. Otherwise, they would have stayed out. But yeah, they've been really, really cooperative.
She's 18.
Yep, just turned 18. Yep. I'll let you talk to her. My printer's broken, so I've got to write the affidavit. I'm sorry.
South Carolina.
Yeah.
Trying to find the daggum. Sorry. Yeah. I do like 324, like 65 South Carolina deal. Okay. Good family.
Unfortunately.
She ever been in trouble before?
No, she almost got kicked out of our house by her stepdad for being a speeding ticket. Like,
Okay.
she has been.
Do y'all live here in Florida now?
No,
Or?
we're visiting my parents. We're supposed to leave tonight. I'm going to be meeting my mom for like a early dinner.
She's 18. This is family. They live in South Carolina, leaving tonight to go back to South Carolina. She just turned 18. Mom, correct?
Yeah.
Alright. Marija, what we call them Miranda warnings. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Having those rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
Yes, ma'am.
So what
I
happened?
was just being really dumb. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
And everything she asked for, put it in the buggy. Like, we were just trying to get out of my parents' house for a little bit. 75 degrees. And they're like, it's freezing in here. Let's go to the store. Get what you want.
Okay. So you concealed them in your purse there?
Yes, ma'am. You can look at my purse.
I'm going to. I'm gonna search you too. So.
I have nothing else. I gave him everything.
Do you have anything on your person I need to know about?
No, ma'am. I gave him everything back.
Listen, I meant more along the lines of any weapons. Or
Oh, no, ma'am. Never.
Okay. All right, I'll just have you stand right here for me. I'm just gonna keep you here. Let me give phone to mom for now, okay?
Okay.
Your phone.
Yes, ma'am. It's just dropless.
You're right. I'm just gonna have you fix this one. Alright, so you do have to turn around and put
Am I
your
getting
hands-
arrested?
I have to detain you at the time, okay? You have tiny wrists. I do like 324, like I have female detained. Alright. You're gonna have a seat here for me.
Am I getting this?
So here's the thing. You're not a resident of Florida. So I can't issue her a notice to appear because you live out of state. So she has to go to jail for it.
Can I drive here? I can drive down to go to court.
Unfortunately, no. There's certain
Anytime
requirements
you
that
don't
do that.
live in Florida, you have to go to jail for the offense because our notice to appear is for, like, if you were a resident here, it'd be different. Then if you don't have a criminal history, we could
Even
just,
from here to Jacksonville, I couldn't give you one of those court dates.
yeah, you have to live.
Can we use like my grandma's address or anything? I'll drive down.
If she has no priors, it's gonna just be a misdemeanor offense. I think it's a $500 bond. If you use a bonds bailsman, you just pay, I think the minimum's $100, so it'd be $100. So you could go literally right up there, she can post her bond and she'll get right back out. But she is gonna have a court date, she's gonna have to come back for court, the whole deal. So, you know, if she was still a juvenile, it would have been honestly the same scenario because you don't
How long
live
does she
here,
stay in
so-
if I don't come bail her out?
Until she
Until
bonds
she bonds
out.
out or time served, 30
Yeah.
days, 45 days.
So,
Can't, we need a search that. I can't just limit the two brothers and the rest of the family. Just do something so freaking stupid.
I mean, if she has family here and they want to bond her out,
Okay,
pick her
well,
up,
no,
but
they're gonna do something after that. They're like heavy church people.
Alright.
They're not even.
you're under 21 in the state of Florida, you also cannot be.
That's not mine. That's my mom's.
Okay, it's in your possession, so I'm just telling you
Yes, ma'am, I
that
know,
you
but-
can't have that in the state of Florida until you're 21.
Yes, ma'am, I
Okay,
know.
so it'll go to your mom, but
I
you can be issued citation for that, and that's a whole nother. I'm not going to, but just so you're aware, okay?
You have to go to jail. It is a whole process. I work in trauma. I watch these guys take people into it. It takes a long time. You have to
I would say,
get
and I'm not just trying to be rude about it. It's just the simple fact you're not a resident here, so I have to take you. It's, you know,
We couldn't like use my grandma's address or anything to like save it.
you're not a resident. You're a resident of South Carolina, unfortunately.
So now I need to call grandma and be like, okay, well, we're not gonna need you because your grandmother's in jail. For what? For a sunblock that you just put in a damn buggy?
Do you want purse to go to your mom?
Yes, please.
Put your glasses back in here so you don't get lost in this stuff.
But you can't.
I know I can't. I just don't like that.
She can't have that. And I'll make sure that goes to you.
Can you at least film my phone in 5 seconds? I need to do it.
I have other things for Dr. Sally.
You go ahead. 26. She's gonna be 10-15.
How long is her booking?
Our jail's
It's-
pretty quick.
Yeah,
just
it's
depends
drive
on how
time
many people are
there,
there.
and yeah, me typing up the paperwork
It's the
real quick.
end of the shift, so
Could she like follow it?
I mean she can.
You can't. She's still gonna have to wait until
It's probably gonna be a couple hour process.
I'd say probably about 2 hours because it's gonna take 30 minutes to get there, and then paperwork and then you get there.
Take your picture, your fingerprints.
I'm gonna take this with me. They'll put it in her property. When she gets out, she'll get her ID back. Okay.
The password is 8889.
And grandma. We are supposed to be back in 10 minutes, and then I have to go to jail for hours. What do you think? That I'm not gonna just let her sit there waiting?
That's the jail address.
Do you have any phone numbers you want her to have?
I know phone numbers, but
Okay, so you're good on that part. Okay. Will you send me a statement when you get it?
You
With the
send her a
time, I
link.
want to go ahead and.
Yeah, you can send her a link.
Huh?
Send her a link.
Okay.
I'll do that pretty quick.
Yeah, no, I will. But if you can just.
I'll be right back in there.
Whose bag is that?
that's not ours.
It's not yours. Okay.
Well, yeah.
Let it be a lesson to learn from. We're gonna go all the way down to that next car.
So what all do we have to do?
Basically, I'm gonna take you to the jail. It's in a totally different town from here. It's about 30 minutes away. I'll work on the paperwork. They'll take your picture, fingerprints. Once you're booked in, you'll have the bond set. Mom or someone, if they want to bail you out, can come bail you out. If they choose not to do that, then you're going to have to sit there until...
Is this gonna be like on my record forever?
Will you stand by real
Do
quick
you
so I
know
can
if,
put my
because
seatbelt?
I'm going to school to get electrocution watching, it'll like affect my
Probably
career.
not.
It'll want to affect my career.
I mean, they'll probably ask you about it.
Leave my seatbelt.
What's the difference between the two?
Felony, you can't own guns, you can't vote, you can't do a lot of things.
What is going on with this?
Use your
Is it because it wasn't a certain amount or something?
It's because you're not a resident in the state of Florida.
That's the only reason why.
Can you see if you can get that?
Whenever I get there, can I call people or do I have to wait?
You gotta wait till they book you in.
But then there's, they have like payphones in the cell. So
They're
you can,
free in booking.
but they're free in booking, so you can make a call.
Like
for
whenever
free.
I'm waiting to get booked?
No, you. It's not this hard.
Am I
I'll get the air on back here for you, okay?
And whenever I get there, I'm going to be changed out of my clothes too. And everything changed.
But
They'll change her into like,
a jumpsuit
yeah, and
and
different
orange
shoes.
Crocs, and you get a Florida ID. Say like my girl.
Alright, I'll get the air going for you in just a
Already
second,
turned it
okay? Oh, thank you.
Send the link before you take her off. Yep. And then you know, right?
Yeah,
I'll just send you the picture.
thank you. Appreciate you. Just what I wanted when I'm tired as crap.
This story is a powerful reminder that one small mistake can change everything. Maria's decision to take a few items may have seemed minor at the time, but it turned her family vacation into a nightmare and left her with a criminal record that could follow her for years. Sometimes, just a few seconds of poor judgment can undo years of hard work and trust. It's never worth it. Think before you act. Be honest, even when no one is watching. And remember, one choice can define your future. What do you think about this story? Do you believe she deserves a second chance? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this story meaningful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, so more people can learn from real-life moments that teach us about responsibility, integrity, and growth.